on, guys? Today we're working on a 95 f250 f350 7.3 liter diesel. I've noticed with these trucks that they have a huge problem with this exhaust gas valve system. You can get online and order you a pedestal and this housing that doesn't have the little valve in it, but I went ahead and deleted it. All I did was take the rod that was in there and I cut a little piece out of it and just welded it on there, made sure there was no leaks there. Let's see, the rest of it, the pedestal side, I grabbed the water in PT pipe thread, and I got a cap from local hardware store, just a pipe thread quarter, and just thread it in there nice and slow. I mean, you just gotta go nice and slow, and you can see in there, use Teflon tape, get it nice and cleaned out. That cylinder, you're gonna have a bunch of metal shavings in there. The valve, I do want to tell you guys a little trick that I used for that flat. There it is, right here, to get this sucker out of there. All I did was stick a Sawzall in there sideways, go nice and slow, and you can grind those rivets out. After you get those rivets out, use like a punch to punch them out of it, and you'll get them right out. And then that's whenever I cut this half of the rod and stuck it into it. See, just stuck it back in there, threw some welds on it, and did great. Just make sure you don't burn it up or have any leaking holes. You don't want any of that, but this should solve the oil leaking issue. Go ahead, and I did the O-rings on mine, as you can tell. Anyways, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys. Let me know if this helped.